Good morning. Off to work I go, and the sun is doing crazy things again, so it's just trying to light me up, I know. So yeah, I just want to check in and say good morning. And we've been talking a lot about inner child showing up and allowing the inner child to be free and play and be a part of, your life and decisions and stuff. So I've been doing that a lot more by just playing. I do have 3 children, so that's a little bit easier for me sometimes than it might be for other adults, because playing with your kids should be pretty natural. It actually wasn't for me. It took me a long time to kind of like let loose and just let go. There's an element of control for me because I'm a single mom and because I've had to do so much of my adult stuff by myself, and if I let go of that control, I felt like there was a weakness or vulnerability. And then I realized that it's okay to let go, even if for just short periods of time or long periods of time. So I've been working on that more and more and more, and I'm trying to bring her into the places where I'm struggling the most, like with my diet, like I was talking about yesterday, and make it playful. And I can make face-shaped foods, and I'm allowing my children to help me when I'm cooking, and I'm blasting music and dancing while I'm doing things, and it's like cooking doesn't have to be a chore. It can be fun. In fact, I really like to cook, actually. I don't like to clean, and I don't like to make the mess, but I do enjoy cooking quite a lot. So I figured bringing my children into helping me with that and just making it more play-based is a better way of cooking more, of eating more nutritious choices when I eat. But yeah, so play. Like my kids and I, on the way to school, we played Try Not to Laugh Challenge. So simple, so easy. And the funny thing is, the second you say that, it's like full out belly laughs over nothing. I'll just look at him and I go, "Hi, Colin," and he just thinks it's the most hilarious thing. And once someone else is laughing like that, you're laughing like that, and your inner child is just so joyful. And then you bring the joy energy in to you, and instead of the, we gotta run, we gotta hurry, we gotta go, and it's so easy to get caught up in that frenzy of life, the way we live, with go, 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 go all the time. So just bring some joy in. And it can be, and I find that the more joy I bring into the things that otherwise would be a chore, the more fun it is, and the easier it is to do those things, and the less chore-like it is. Like, a lot of people don't like going to the gym. I love going to the gym. It's because I act like a fool. I dance all the time. They'll be like, "Oh, there's Kathy dancing again," and it's like, I don't care. I'm just acting silly, and I'm having a good time, and I'm laughing, and I burn as many calories laughing as I do doing stupid burpees. I don't love doing burpees, but I love playing, and that's my time to do it. And the more ridiculous I can act, the better. And so that's makes it less of a chore. It's more freedom-based, more joyful. So yeah, I challenge you to look at your most, I don't know what the right word is, hated or disliked or unexciting part of your day, and turn it into play. Like today, we're going to do some picking up because we decorated for Christmas over the weekend, and the kids are doing these little projects at home, and I just let them do it themselves. So they've got like the glue sticks out and the markers out, and I don't even know. Everything is out everywhere in my house. So tonight we're going to make it into a game to clean up and to pick up and to get rid of things. It's going to be, who can get rid of the most junk challenge or something. It's going to be challenge fun, and we're going to laugh, and we're going to play, and I'm going to have a lot less junk in my house. Yes. So yeah, make it fun. Everything should be fun. My morning drive is ridiculous. Like, I sit in traffic, and if I let it get me cranky and piss me off every day, which occasionally I do, I admit, or do I get on here and say hi to you guys, or do I sing at the top of my lungs and act like a crazy person? That's usually my first choice because it's way more fun. And then the rest of your day has changed, So that's my challenge today. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.